Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I definitely still am looking at this as three waves up W, three waves down X, and one, two, three waves up for a wave Y, which I think that would most likely put us up to the 78%, so that way it would take out the high of wave W and the high of wave 4 before we do get a significant move to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, keeping that in mind, I definitely think that this right here is a five-way pattern, wave A of Y. This is a WXY, which I think is a wave B of Y, the monthly time frame Y, and that this is five waves up right here for a wave 1 of wave C. This is a big ABC, wave 2 of wave C, and I personally think this is likely already in a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, because a wave Y should be an ABC. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I do think this is likely the end of a correction right here. Like I said, most likely the end of a wave 2. I personally think we're in a wave 3 and this is all just subdivisions of that wave 3. I don't really see any reason to think the wave 3 is over yet, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it just kept on making those higher highs, higher lows, especially on these much higher time frames like the daily, weekly, and monthly. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the 4 hour time frame, we do have non-farm payroll news coming out, and I still feel like this thing possibly could go down for a wave C before it goes up, because it definitely looks like five waves down, it looks like three waves up. It never really did make a proper wave C, but the thing I realized is when you're in a wave 3 on the weekly, daily, and monthly, sometimes you think that this is going to go down and make a more proper looking ABC correction, but in reality, because a wave 3 is the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, and it's on the daily, weekly, monthly time frame, sometimes you just continue to get those higher highs, higher lows. That's why, especially when we're in a wave 3, the trend is definitely your friend, and I still think all the better, bigger money is to be made looking for longs in an uptrend. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I've been saying these last couple of days, I mean this definitely could be an A, this definitely could be a B. Today's non-farm payroll news definitely could cause this to go down and make a C. And on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, it would definitely lead me, based on Elliot wave, to believe that this would make an ABC correction before it actually does go up. But like I said, I mean, I definitely want to keep my options open. So if I see it go down, I definitely think this is what's going to happen. But I honestly would not be surprised at all if this right here was actually setting itself up for a long at the news, and that this is just going to keep on trending up because we are most likely in a big giant wave 3 on the daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my trading sessions and you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.